Hey guys, thanks for watching this Diagnostic World video. In this video we're going to do a short demonstration of the Foxwell NT644. It's available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. What we will do is put a link to this product directly below this video in the description and the comments box. I'll also put our email address in there as well, so if you do have any questions, please feel free to email us. So we're in a Mercedes-Benz E-Class here. It has the check engine light showing on the dashboard here, and we're going to use the NT644 to diagnose and reset this fault. So what we're going to do first of all, there's many options on the front screen here, but we're interested in the scan option, so we'll click on to scan. And what we're going to do is go through and select our vehicle. So it's a European vehicle, and then we need to scroll down to Benz or Mercedes, select Mercedes. It's going to ask us a few more questions about the vehicle, just really to pinpoint which vehicle that it's actually in, so it knows which systems to look for and actually help us diagnose. So it's a E0112, it's a 250 CDI. Recognize the vehicle, so now it's just initializing, and it's going to try and go through and connect to the systems in the vehicle, which will then allow us to go ahead and actually read the fault codes. So once we read the fault codes, it should give us a unique description of the fault, which helps us obviously identify where the problem is, and we'll just come into that screen in a moment. But this is a really useful tool. As you've seen, it covers a lot of makes and models and a lot of systems as well. Alright, so we're going to select the control unit option, we're going to select drive, and we're going to select the top one, which is CDI motor electronics. So it just takes a few seconds or so to actually connect up to the engine system, and from here we'll be able to go in and read the fault codes. So we'll just give it a few more seconds while it connects. Depending on the vehicle, sometimes it can connect within a few seconds, sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Right, so click on to read codes. As I say, sometimes you'll connect it and it'll just flash up straight away, but sometimes it will take 30 seconds or sometimes up to a minute. Okay, so the two fault codes we have here, P0113 and then P0103, both relating to the mass airflow sensor. So we already knew that, to be honest with you. We've already diagnosed the fault. We've put a new mass airflow sensor in, but as you can see, the check engine light and the fault codes, they're remaining. So what we need to do now is click onto erase codes, and when I click enter again here, just keep one eye on the check engine light. There we go, it's disappeared. Clear, done on screen here. So it's all thanks to the Foxwell NT644. As I mentioned earlier, it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. As I say, I'll put a link directly below this video in the description and the comments box to where you can have a look at this kit. I'll also put our email address as well, which will allow you to send us an email about this kit if you do have any further questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.